Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. On a weekly time frame chart, Filecoin first broke out this very big falling wedge pattern, and after that it formed another falling wedge pattern. By the way, these two falling wedges were formed in a bigger falling wedge pattern. You can see we had another very long-term downtrend line resistance, and therefore after breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance, and this previous resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern was also working as a resistance for this next smaller falling wedge pattern as well. And here we broke out both falling wedges together, the bigger one and the smaller one, and then we had a very nice rally. And if I place this measurement tool from here, when we were testing the support of this previous falling wedge pattern, this one was here up till this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 390%. And during this rally, we have broken out so many significant resistance levels, but this one is the most significant. That was the resistance of a very huge cloud. That was the Ichimoku bearish cloud that was breaking as a very strong resistance. And now, after the breakout, the price and is testing this previous cloud as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Shiba Inu, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 12th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price and moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here, and after that, it will show you how the price and moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Filecoin, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of January 2021, it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. And while moving inside this wedge, it also found another downtrend line resistance here, and this was in fact the falling wedge pattern formed within the bigger falling wedge pattern. And first we broke out this falling wedge pattern, then we broke out another smaller falling wedge pattern, and this very huge falling wedge pattern as well. And then price then started a very nice move to the upside, but recently the price then is rejected by this long-term resistance of $11.40. That was previously working as a resistance here, and now again it worked as a resistance, and now it is testing this quite long-term support of $6.36 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here, and now it is working as a support. At the same time, it has also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and it is testing this previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And this is the second week. You can see it is testing the support of $6.36 and also testing this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. In case of breaking down the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud and this support of $6.36, it can drop down to the next long-term support here at $4.60 that had been previously working as a support here, resistance here, and support here. And for several weeks a month, it had been working as a support here as well, and also worked as a resistance here. Therefore, that can be another very strong support. Now, if you take a look at the targets for these breakouts, then target for the breakout from the smaller falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at $9, and you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target up to $11.85. And the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern and this one is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.